So, hi guys! So, today, papakita ko sa inyo ang aking mga nakuhang earnings dito sa Nikki Live. So, kailangan nyo lang talaga guys maging consistent and do your best in everything you do. At I hope na habang nanonood kayo ng video na to, meron kayong matutunan at magagamit nyo rin yung natutunan nyo at may apply nyo rin sa inyong buhay, So, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, makitang-kita nyo naman na mayroon akong 7,282,414 at nakuha ko lang to guys sa pagla-live at sa paggawa ng activities ni Nika Live. So guys, kung gusto nyo rin magkaroon nito at gusto nyo malaman kung paano, stay tuned lang kayo guys sa video na to para maturuan ko kayo. So guys, yung minimum withdrawal pala dito is $200 and kapag nag-Gcash kayo, mayroong 2% fee. Meron siya guys dito guys na withdrawal method. Marami dito guys. Pili lang kayo ng withdrawal method na gusto nyo at kapag nakapili na kayo, pwede na kayo makapag-withdraw. Before nga tayo mag-withdraw guys, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung Gcash na meron ako. As you can see, meron lang akong 35 pesos here and open natin mamaya yung Nikki Live para mag-withdraw tayo. So, open natin si Nikki Live. Then, type natin $200. So, guys, as you can see, 200 lang yung minimum withdrawal. And dahil Gcash nga yung gamit ko, mayroong 2% fee. And as you can see, hindi makaka-withdraw kapag nag-exceed ka sa $200. Kapag nag-withdraw ka dito guys, within a day, siguro mga minutes lang, makukuha mo na agad yung withdraw mo guys. Mas madali guys yung withdraw sa Gcash guys, kasi nga siguro mga ilang minutes lang dyan na agad, kasi compared kasi sa mga bank na transfer ganun, siguro it takes some hours bago mo makuha guys, kasi kay Gcash agad-agad makukuha mo na agad. So guys, as you can see, type na natin yung $200 and pindutin natin withdraw. So as you can see, naging successful na yung withdrawal and hintay-hintay lang tayo guys ng ilang mga minutes, and as you can see na meron ng minus yung aking pera, naging 582 na lang siya guys. And again natin yung Gcash pala, and refresh lang tayo ng refresh, baka kasi nandyan na. And kapag dumating naman guys yung pera guys, magi-inform naman si Nikki na na-send na nila yung pera, at kailangan mo lang gawin is yung confirmation na na-receive mo na talaga yung pera. So, check lang ulit natin guys sa Nikki Live baka dumating na. And as you can see, completed na guys yung withdrawal, kaya naman open na ulit natin yung Gcash para i-check kung dumating na nga ba yung withdraw natin na $200. And guys, makikita nyo naman dyan guys sa wallet ko na yung balance ko 35 pa lang, and now kaka-refresh ko, dumating na nga yung pera. So, yung nakuha ko nga pala is 10,000, mga 580 plus siguro. Papakita ko naman guys yung mga na-withdraw ko using my Union Bank guys. As you can see, meron akong 143 dyan. Open lang natin yung Gcash or ang Nikki Live pala guys. And punta tayo sa wallet. Then, click natin yung pins and mag-withdraw tayo guys. Yan yung natira kong pera at i-withdraw natin yan. So, mag-withdraw ulit tayo ng $200. So, using a Union Bank guys, merong 3% fee. Tap lang natin guys yung Union Bank dahil dyan tayo mag-withdraw. O, kitang-kita nyo naman guys na marami kang withdrawal method na pagpipilian. Kung anong meron kang card, yan yung piliin mo guys. So, $200 pa rin guys yung withdrawal na amount na pwede nyo ma-withdraw. And as you can see, successful operation. Then maghintay lang tayo ng ilang minutes or hours para makuha natin yung pera. And as you can see, in progress pa lang, kaya balikan na lang natin mamaya kasi mag-i-inform naman si Nikki na na-receive na natin yung pera. So nakita nyo naman, completed na. So i-open natin yung aking Union Bank guys para naman ma-check natin kung dumating na nga ba talaga yung perang withdraw natin. O enter lang natin yung OTP and refresh lang natin siya guys. And as you can see, dumating na nga yung pera guys. Guys, kailangan nyo lang talaga ng tiyaga dito guys. Kaya kung gusto nyo rin na ng video or makakuha ng pera na ganito kalaki, magtiyaga lang kayo guys. Then be consistent sa mga ginagawa nyo. make sure guys na you love what you are doing and you are inspired, happy while you are doing it. Bye!